Hi, I'm Priscilla and welcome to my Skillshare class. I'm a teacher, surface pattern designer, fashion illustrator and owner of CardwellandInk, a boutique design studio in Australia. Fashion illustration is one of my favorite things to create because it ties in so many aspects of my creative business, from creating custom illustrations for clients to displaying my surface pattern designs in a stylistic way. It's a delight to be able to create an illustration to help someone celebrate a special event in their lives. And I am so excited to be able to share the process of something I love so much with you. Fashion illustration is a beautiful expression of the figure and the wardrobe that can be used to communicate a clothing design, but also captures the feeling, emotion, and movement of the subject. The loose, sketchy, gestural style allows you to capture the essence of the figure. The aim is not photo accuracy or perfect detail, but rather a loose, expressive take on the subject. A great accessory to fashion photography, contemporary fashion illustration is unique to each illustrator and allows them to infuse their illustration with their own artistic style and perspective. Many contemporary designers and brands use fashion illustration in their physical and digital campaigns. Its applications include engaging social media posts, magazine ads, images for product design, stationery, or standalone pieces of artwork. Fashion illustration is not just a hobby or a skill to have in your toolbox. Many of my favorite fashion illustrators who have inspired me, like Jessica Durant, Megan Hess, and Holly Nichols, have launched full-time careers through freelancing and working with designers and brands. And it's a great vehicle to kickstart your creativity and to create a body of work for your illustration portfolio. In this class, I will show you my techniques to render a sheer dress in a fashion illustration style digitally in Procreate. Because I want this to be beginner friendly, this is not a technical drawing class and we are going to get straight into the good stuff. I have pre-prepared a Procreate canvas, including a fashion figure template and clothing guides for you to use already sized to fashion dimensions, a custom Procreate brush set of all the brushes we use, and a custom color palette and Pinterest board with images for inspiration. I will take you through a brief overview of the key features of a fashion figure, and then we will dive straight into how to create three-dimensional skin tones for our illustration. Then we will work through how to illustrate each layer of clothing, starting with an opaque layer and then a sheer shimmery overlay to the dress. We will talk through how to use shadows and highlights to really make the clothing look more 3D. Finally, we will add details like a pattern to our fabric, hair, and a simple background to bring our illustration together. All you will need to take this class is an iPad, a stylus, and the app Procreate. So if you have about 40 minutes and would like to try your hand at a new illustration style, come and join me. I hope that you finish this class having had a whole lot of fun, having more confidence in using the Procreate interface, and being able to apply these techniques to your illustration style. Okay, enough talking, let's get started.